In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Nespresso Expert machine. So if it's on, we have to make sure it's off. So I've just turned it on purely for the purpose of the video. We do need to go into settings mode, and the only way you get in settings mode is if the machine is off. So right now it's on. To turn it off, we're going to go counterclockwise. This will flash for 5 seconds and then it will turn itself off. Once it's off, we're going to hit this brew button and hold it down for 6 seconds. So don't press it once, then hold it down. From off, we need to hold it down for 6 seconds, and you will see that these two will flash here. Then we're going to select the lungo, then we're going to confirm with the top button, do the temperature dial, confirm with the top button, and then it will be factory reset. Now when you reset it, everything will be reset to factory settings. So if you've adjusted the amounts for different brews, if you've adjusted the hardness, the pairing Bluetooth on your phone, all that will be reset to factory settings. So more than likely you're going to be doing this if you're suffering some faults that you can't fix, or if you're going to be moving it on, selling it on to someone else. Because remember, different parts of the country will have different water level hardness. So although you might live in a hard water area, somebody else might live in a soft water area. So here we go. Let's hold this button down from off for 6 seconds. Pressing it now and holding it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. You can see they've now flashed. So we now are in settings mode. We want to go to the lungo, which is the top one here. So move this dial round clockwise or counterclockwise until the top one is lit up. We need to confirm that by tapping the brew button. You can now see that's flashing. And now we need to move the temperature dial. You can see that's no, this is yes. So move it around clockwise. When it's up the very top, that is yes, that's no. So clockwise to yes. Tap this here. This is now flashed. Everything's flashing. Now this is reset. So this is the same as when it was unboxed from the factory, and the machine has now turned off. So you can unplug it and you can sell it on to the next person. So there we go. That's how to reset your Nespresso Expert machine. The next person now will come along, they'll turn it on, and it will be all how it is from the factory. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.